Silvio channel. My name is Marty. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried eggs with spinach. As the main ingredients we need a small bunch of spinach. Spinach already separated, just leaves, and leave the stem and 5 eggs. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. It's Chinese name called 菠菜炒鸡蛋. And the spinach, we already wash it and drain the water, and it's all separate leaves, so we don't need to cut it. Just this whole leaves we will use. Okay, we will crack the eggs. Crack the egg in this pot. This is the salt. We add a pinch of salt. Don't add too much. This is 13 spices. We add a pinch of 13 spices to it. Don't add too much. If you don't have 13 spices, use fine spices or Chinese fine spices, or just a pinch of black pepper. Okay, we will mix it. We mix yellow and white powder well together. Okay, the yellow powder and the white powder mix well. Turn on the stove. Fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add mix the eggs into it. Before we add it, we mix again. Just fry until the egg is fully cooked and that raw egg smell is gone. So you can make the egg not too big, not too small. The big chunk you can use to cut it, make it, and stir fry it becomes smaller, and not too small. Okay, so when the egg right now is fully cooked, turn off the stove and add the egg back to the pot. the stove. Fair. And add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. And just rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the apple oil. And fry the spinach. Add spinach in the fry. With a high fire and a fast fry. This is black pepper. Add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Okay. This is the soy sauce. Add probably a quarter teaspoon of soy sauce. Don't add too much, just a little. Okay. Okay, if it's pot too hot, and take the pot over the, and now add the eggs to it. And fry it. Just add a pinch of salt, don't add too much, because the egg already have salt, so we just add a little salt for the spinach. Okay, turn off the stove. So this dish is done. You try it. Spinach. It's so good. So the fried egg with spinach, this dish is done, and hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like and comment, and see you next time.